And for this DIY, you guys, I deleted the beginning portion of this vase, but I have already spray painted it, and I'm using this crushed diamond epoxy from BeeBeeCraft. The link for it will be in the description. I'm going to actually jazz up this whole vase. That wasn't my original intentions. Originally, I was just gonna do the sides and around the top portion, but you know me, a lot of DIYs evolves right as I'm creating them. So we're just going to glue my pieces on, and for the most part my original idea, I had pre-cut my pieces. So we're going to learn this first piece of crushed diamond epoxy self-adhesive sheet right up under the lip of the vase. We're going to cover that, then we're going to start decorating out the sides. Now I'm just layering in my sheet to make sure it's all level and even, and I'm just hot gluing it on. And you guys, I learned when I got ready to go to the other side to actually put the hot glue on the vase, because once this stuck, it actually stuck exactly where it fell at, and it was hard trying to maneuver it, so I had to actually fix a piece on it. So if you replicate any of these pieces using those crushed diamond epoxy sheets, and you guys, this was self-adhesive, but I wanted to give mine a little more holding power, which normally all of my adhesives have held up very well, but this is going to be in a high traffic area that it will be styled in, so I wanted to do the extra by adding the hot glue to it. And two, you guys, you can add hot glue or any glue that matters to any of your projects, because this is self-adhesive. And with this, I did not pull the stripping off because this had the clear piece on it, so I just glued it all down. Now we're adding that piece to the top, and once I get this done, you guys, I'm gonna just replicate it on the other side. Now this is where my project began to evolve. As I was looking at it, it looked like to me it just needed some more. So I'm gonna tack that end down securely, and I just took that, and this is the diamond rhinestone self-adhesive strips. I just added a row, and I cut it in a row of 2, and I added it alongside of that crushed diamond epoxy. And as you're gonna see, after I done this, I thought I was finished, but I could not stop there. So this project took a mind of its own. And as you can see, I'm adding that same diamond rhinestone to the other side of that crushed diamond epoxy sheet. And you guys, drop me a comment. Let me know if you are a avid DIYer or just a DIYer in general. When you create projects, are you like myself where you have one original idea and a lot of your pieces evolve, or can you think of an idea and stick to that plan once you start it? But this is what it's looking like right here, you guys, and like I say, it was very gorgeous, and I think that is what led up to me going full scale with this DIY project here. Now this is where I did add the glue to the vase itself, and you see I did it different from the other side. And as you do these DIY projects, your method will evolve, because you will see there's ways that you can create your projects just in a more proficient way as you're creating them. Now as you can see, this side went down so smoothly, you know what? You will be seeing another project similar to this coming very soon, because this project gave me so many ideas. So you will be seeing something coming very, very soon using this same method. Now this is what it looks like with both sides complete. And like I say, this project just kept evolving as I was doing it. You see me here looking it over, saying that I do need to add something else. So I am going to actually add in mirror mosaic tile, and I'm also going to be using white crushed diamond epoxy sheets as well, and all of that information for those items will still be in my description. Now as you saw, I started on one side and I just wrapped it all the way around, you guys. And once again, it's because I've used this mirror mosaic tile a lot. I can get mine to turn and bend where a lot of people can't. If you use any product for a significant amount of time, you'll become more proficient in using it. Now that I have completed that part, I still, to my eye, need more pizzazz to this vase, and I'm going to take it on up once again. And here is me adding in that white crushed diamond epoxy as well. This is the same as the silver on the side, except for this is a white, and it is actually a AB white because it has a fluorescent that pushes off different colors with your blues and your greens, but this is actually a fluorescent AB crushed diamond epoxy. Now I'm just repeating it on the opposite side so we can hurry up and bring this project to a close. Now this is what that vase is looking like. Isn't that gorgeous, you guys? I am loving it. Make sure you do catch the clip at the end to see what it looks like style. Now, if you're not a part of the Glam Queen of DIY, make sure you do subscribe. Also, the Glam Queen of Decor, Glam Queen Unboxing, and Glam Queen Vlogs. You will be seeing regular content. Now here's that full picture of all of the DIYs. Now, if you've been rocking with your girl for a while, you know I can't close out without letting you know to always, always, always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.